Welcome to the bill calendar, made by Lluna Designs. As a first step, enter the starting year for the calendar. Now, select your currency symbol and then choose the position where you want it to appear. Next, let's enter the bills into the planner. Here's what each field means. Name, this is where you identify the payment. For example, electricity or internet. Frequency, select how often the bill will be paid, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Amount, enter the amount of the bill or an approximation. Don't worry, you can adjust this later in the Payments tab. First payment date, this is the date the first bill needs to be paid. Based on this date and the frequency you selected, the planner will automatically calculate the next payments. Similarly, you can enter subscriptions by following the same actions as for bills. For example, subscriptions like streaming services, gym memberships, or magazine subscriptions. For debts, follow the same process, but with one key difference: include the last payment date. This column is where you'll enter the date of the loan's final payment, as long as it falls within the period between the start and end years set in Step 1. This ensures the planner accurately tracks and calculates your loan payments. Now, let's move to the Payments tab. Here, you can easily filter the data to focus on what's most important. Filter payments by status, view only paid or unpaid payments to keep track of what's pending. Filter by month, narrow down your view to a specific month for detailed tracking. Filter by year, get an overview of all payments for a particular year. These filters help you stay organized and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. On the Payments tab, you can manage your payment records easily. Mark payments as paid, select the payments that have already been made to keep your records up to date. This helps you track what's still pending. Modify payments, if a payment needs to be adjusted, you can update its date or amount directly. For example, if the amount changes or the payment was delayed, simply edit the details to reflect the new information. Next, let's explore the calendar tabs. Here's what you can do. Define the day the week starts, whether it's Monday or Sunday. Select the month and year you want to view, so you can focus on a specific period. In each calendar, you can also define multiple payment days if needed. These days will be automatically highlighted on the calendar, making it easy to track and manage your schedule at a glance.
Thank you for trusting Lluna Designs.